Okay, remember version 2 we've created. So open up the file management again. I have version 1, version 2. All I've got to do, again, I could probably copy the first one we did. It's less complex than this. So I go opposite mouse click, copy. It's just going to copy it into the same folder, a copy. You'll notice another one appears here. It will be the one in the corner here is the new one that's appearing. Same copy as this. I'm going to close. I'll make sure I've saved it, which I have. Close it. I'm going to opposite mouse click, rename, version 3, enter, double click. I'm going to delete, same as I did before. Close the file management system. I don't need that open. I need as much space as I can. I'm going to go back to find out what stage I want to go back to. Okay, so probably don't need that extrusion either. Don't need the sketch that came with it. I'm going to turn my sketches back on, the origin back on. I'm going to delete everything here. And I'm back to where I started before. Okay, slightly different one, maybe less material on this one. So let's go, bit of a different strategy this time. Let's go sketch on this plane. And I'm just going to draw, that's the maximum width of the vehicle, of the racer. I'm going to draw a circle, C. I'm going to draw, I can't go past here. And I sort of would like to go just as high. What have we got? 32. So let's go 35. Enter. I'm going to go T for trim. At the moment, I've got nothing to trim on. I want to get just this quadrant here. So I'm going to draw a line from there to the edge, and another line from there to the edge. And then I'm going to hit T for trim, and I'm going to trim this away. I'm going to go OK. Now, one thing I did, I've sort of sketched on the end section here. Doesn't matter for this particular one. I'm going to pick that shape. Even though I'm sort of longer than the length of the vehicle, I'm going to go E for extrude. I'm going to drag it through. I'm going to tell it that I want to extend up to an object, which is that point there, right on the very end. I'm going to add, not remove material. And I'm going to go OK. So what I've got is just a long, skinny, obviously I've only got half of it. If I turn the sketch back on, these sketches, I could trim this front section off, and probably, maybe it would be a good idea to show you how to do that. All I do is this, I just go E, extrude, cut, done. I've just used this section here just to chop the front off. Okay, so I've still got a cylinder problem. I've still got to try and cover this cylinder somehow here. So let's go sketch. I know I've got 12mm, remember? That's what I've got to play with. And let's just do quite an angular one this time. I'm going to go here, here, probably down to the ground plane, back to the start, and back to here, back to where I started from. It shades in, so I know it's all shaded. I go OK. I'm going to extrude that shape. I know 12mm because that gives me enough material on the side of the canister. I don't want to cut, I want to join. Go OK. Okay, so I've got not a lot of material now, and let's just try a little bit more angular than all rounded this time. So I'm going to go there, there, and there. Let's just, well, that's 12mm, that takes it right in, doesn't it? So let's just say 12, I'll go OK. I'm going to fill it again, I'm just working with the fillet tool. And this side too. Now I could do, let's just have a little bit of play. I'm going to do a slightly bigger fillet, so I'm going to go 15 on that side. And I'm going to go fillet on this side, a little bit small. I'm going to go 6 on that side. 6 is the smallest radius we can go to with the cutting tool. I might have a look at fillet on this one, and this one, and this one. A little bit weird how it does this one. I probably might delete those, so delete that one. I'm just going to pick that and that. Okay, I'm going to go out 12. And I'm going to run a fillet across the bottom here. Probably it's run out at 8, so I'm going to get 8 mil there. And I'm going to run a fillet tool just at the front here. Take that back to probably 12 again. Okay, a lot quicker this one. And I'm going to turn off my origin, turn off my sketches. I'm going to mirror. All in one. I'm going to click on the object. I'm going to click on the mirror plane. Oh, jumped too far ahead. Turn the sketches back on. Remember, turn the body off. Pick the shape I want to extrude. Turn the body back on. E for extrude. Remove the material. Becoming experts at this manufacturing, I'm going to mirror this whole object, select the mirror plane, which is the middle, click OK. Okay, different racer completely. So turn all the sketches off, turn it back to here, and version number 3, save.